Assalamu alaikum. Today we have completed a large order of Harem Sultan rings. In this order we have lots of green color, and we have pink color, we have white color, and we have green color, as I told you, orange color, and we have yellow color, and we have let me show you, we have white color, and we have yellow color. We are constantly receiving orders from all across the world, alhamdulillah. Our business model is especially designed for resellers to promote their business, to generate their business. If you are a reseller, you can contact us for wholesale price, you can contact us for manufacturing price. We are offering really competitive price. That's why we are constantly receiving for all your jewelry needs. We are constantly receiving orders for all your jewelry needs. If either you are looking for Turkish traditional jewelry, either you are looking for amethyst jewelry, either you are looking for stones jewelry, silver jewelry, 9 to 5 jewelry, evil eye jewelry, or any Turkish traditional jewelry, stone jewelry, we are providing the best solution for all your jewelry needs under one roof. Alhamdulillah, we are constantly receiving orders from all across the world, especially from USA, UK, Canada, Australia, America, uh, UAE, Pakistan, India, Bangladesh. Alhamdulillah, we are constantly receiving orders, and we are offering really such a good competitive price. No one can beat our price, Alhamdulillah. Our price are really competitive. We are offering manufacturing price, we are offering wholesale price, and we are also entertaining the retail customers as well. Um, our business model is especially designed for resellers, as in this order we have completed a huge amount of silver jewelry, which is known by Harem Sultan design, or it is this design is very famous. uh, Alhamdulillah, we have completed a large order of this design. Alhamdulillah, if you have any query, you can contact us on our social media pages, on our WhatsApp, on plus you can contact us on our given WhatsApp number on screen. We are dealing in huge variety of Turkish traditional jewelry, stone jewelry, silver jewelry, 9 to 5 jewelry, evil eye jewelry. We are providing you under one roof solution for all your jewelry needs. So feel free to contact us on our WhatsApp number. See you next video. Assalamu alaikum.
करना लेती। ये अंगूठी तो मेरी है, तेरे पास कैसे आई? चल उतार इसे।
सुल्तान ने खुद पहनाई है, ये अंगूठी मेरी है, तुझे देनी पड़ेगी।
उतार। मलिका, ये क्या कर रही हैं आप?
मेरी अंगूठी चुरा ली
मलिका,
चोर! चोर!
सुकून हो जाए।
मेरा सब कुछ चुरा लिया तूने।
आपस में ना लड़ें, ऑर्डर के लिए हमसे रुजू करें। स्क्रीन पे दिए हुए नंबर पे राब्ता करें।
हुरम, हुरम, आओ, आओ ना। क्या हुआ है? बाहर कैसी अफरा तफरी है? सच बताना।
कुछ भी नहीं हुआ, ये देख ली उसने बस। सुल्तान सुलेमान ने दी है ना मुझे, बस चल गई।
जुमरद की अंगूठी, आका के हाथ की बनी हुई।
अल्मास, जुमरद, बहुत खूबसूरत है। बस एक बार मुझे
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं, मना किया है उन्होंने।
अपना दिल छोटा ना करें। एस फॉर सिम स्टोर फॉर फैशन एंड डिजाइन पे ऑर्डर करें। शुक्रिया।